Okay, so now we're going to go into page 4 and 5, and we're going to use our knowledge of context clues, that means using clues from the text, to help us find out definitions to the words that we are not sure of. So if I look at paragraph number 1, there's a word there that I want to look up or I want to guess the meaning of. So if I ask you, what's the meaning of survive? You go to paragraph number 1. You find the word and you circle it. And then you're going to look to see if there's any clues in the text around the word. Remember, before and after the word, are there any clues that will help us know the definition of survive? Can you see any words that could possibly help us know that there's a definition? If you said there was a magic word, or, you're correct. Or is a magic word that helps us know what the definition is. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to highlight the sentence before the word or survive. It says all animals have special features that help them stay alive or survive. And now if I look at the word or and the words before or, it says stay alive. So using my context clues, I can see that they're comparing those two by using the magic word or. So that means it could either mean stay alive or survive. So the definition of survive is to stay alive. So I'm going to go put that on my chart. Context clues, the magic word was or. And the definition is to stay alive. Okay. Now you notice that for that one, we had the magic word or, and we know based on the word or that it's going to give us the definition right next to the word. Sometimes, though, it doesn't have a magic word or, so you have to infer what it means. So let's go back, and if I look at the word in paragraph 3, adaptations. So where's the word adaptations? If I ask you to look up the word adaptations and tell me what it means, you would go into the text and you would circle the word. And just like we did with survive, we would look to see if there's any magic words in the sentence. So I'm going to go and highlight before and after the word adaptation. So I'm just annotating before and after the word that I'm trying to find the definition of. And I'm trying to see if there's a magic word like the word or in there, in that sentence that I just annotated. And I don't see it. I don't see any clue words like or. But I do notice that if I read it, it says camouflage is an adaptation. Then there's that little dash. And then it says, a trait animals are born with that aids in their survival. So if you look, it doesn't give you a word, a magic word, but it does give you this dash right here. And that right after that dash, it says a trait animals are born with that aids in their survival. So it might not have a magic word, but it could have some sort of clue, like in this instance, a dash. So I'm going to go to my chart and I'm going to say it has a dash. And I'm going to show you how you look. That dash. Oops. Okay, and then the definition is, I'm going to have to go back to my story. A trait animals are born with that aids in their survival. A trait that animals are born with, I'm going to put it, that helps with their survival. Okay, so let's just review real quick. I went to find the word survive, and I noticed that it says it's in paragraph 1. When I annotated, I noticed there was a magic word or, that helped us find the definition of the word survive. And then I typed in the definition that I saw. For adaptation, it was in paragraph number 3. And in that paragraph, it had a dash right next to the word. And after the dash, it had this definition. Okay, your job is to go to paragraphs 1, 3, and the Q&A camouflage pictures on page 5, and fill out the rest of this packet. All right, good luck.